How to prep your Christmas ham. I have a glazed ham on my Christmas table every year. Here are my simple steps to prepping your ham so it's ready to bake with your favourite glaze. You can use either a half leg or a full leg of ham from Coles, and a small sharp knife such as this MasterChef paring knife. Use the knife to cut around the ham, about 8 centimetres from the shank. This paring knife has a 9.5 centimetre long blade, so it's a handy size for this job. Next, run your thumb under the rind to separate it from the fat. Just like that, really easy. If you find it tricky to get your thumb in there, try this first. Carefully run the knife under the rind, just around the edge of the ham. Start peeling the rind back, sliding your fingers underneath it to remove it from the fat. You should be able to gently lift off the rind in one piece, making sure you're leaving the fat intact. Now take the knife and use the sharp tip to score a diamond pattern across the ham at 3 centimetre intervals. Just like this. The sharp point on this knife is perfect for this. Remember not to cut too deep. Make sure you're only cutting into the fat, not into the meat. Next, stud the diamonds with the hole closed to decorate. Just simply place them in like that, in the middle of the diamonds. There you have it. And now you're ready to glaze. Then all you have to do is pop your glazed ham in the oven at 190 degrees Celsius for about an hour, basting with the glaze every 10 minutes. And there you have it, the perfect glazed ham for your Christmas table. For more handy tips using MasterChef knives, click on the videos below.